Welcome to QiYoga with LuChin. Join me for this quick Qigong session to warm up the heart energy and to boost overall health. And now let's get started. Find a comfortable place to stand. Feet are hip width. And bring your hands together. Rub the palms to generate heat and to warm up the Lao Gong point, the palace of toil, on the center of the palm. This is a master point for the heart and a very important point for Qigong practice. Place one hand over your heart and the other hand over your lower dantian, just beneath your navel, about 4-finger width below. Feel the warmth from your palms spreading through your torso, gently connecting your mind and body. Soft and deep breathing through the nostrils. Bring your hands to prayer. Keep your hands in gentle contact, feeling the warmth between your palms. And now, let your fingers spiral slowly as you change direction, waving the elbows side to side, shifting the weight between your legs, aiming the elbow higher as you go, feeling the movement across your chest and your upper back. The hands are nice and toasty. This helps awaken the body's natural qi flow and strengthen the connection between body and mind. You might start feeling tingling sensations in your head or other part of the body. Slowly come back to center, shrug your shoulders, begin to knock across the door of life. The Mingmen point, a master point in the governing channel of the body, is located on the spine, almost directly opposite from the navel. Come back to center, slightly turning your body towards the left. With your hands naturally facing forward, gently push forward, weight into your knees, and then extend the arms to the side, bring it back to your waist, repeat the movement. This is called parting the water. Feel the soothing water flowing through your fingers as your body is swaying forward and back. Notice the tingling sensations in your fingers. That is your qi, your vital life force energy being activated. And prepare to move to the second side. Slightly bending the right knee. Begin to gently push your arms forward. Aim the knee towards the second toe. In this meditative movement, feel your hands gliding through water. And the water is so soothing and comforting. And you're loving the tingling sensations in your hands. And slowly come back to center. Step your feet to a wider horse stance. Fingers to touch. Extend arms up over your head as you inhale, and exhale. Cross the arms over your belly. Knees are bent into a lower squat position, and rise up. Fingers to touch towards the sky, and draw down towards the earth. Bend into the knees, and continue the movement. We are stimulating all 12 primary meridians in the body, 6 of them connecting through the toes, while the other 6 connecting through the tip of the fingers. Last one. And rise up, bring up the happy bouncing. Bounce any way that feels good. Each bounce shakes off tension, clearing spaces for joy and lightness. And sway side to side, finding that gentle twist through the spine. And come back to neutral. And cup your head and your neck 9 times. And cup the shoulder, left shoulder, and right shoulder. Cup the torso. Cup the left side of the body, starting from the armpit, where the heart meridian originates, for 9 times. Then switch to the right, repeat 9 times. If you're wondering what we are doing, we are harvesting the qi. Left arm inside, outside, inside, outside. Right arm. Bring your hands to the kidneys. Cup the kidneys. Now drum the hip point. Knees are slightly bent. Cup the crease of the knees. Rise up for heel rise. Lift your heels up and lower halfway, and then drop. This integrates qi into our bones and muscles. To complete our practice, stack your hands over your lower dantian. For female, left over right. For male, it is reversed. Soft gaze at the tip of your nose. Feel the gentle warmth under your hands. Your energy is calm, collected, and your heart is joyful. Friends, I hope you enjoyed today's practice. Let me know how it went for you. Leave me a comment and like the video. Subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take good care of yourself.